What a wonderful time we had today in our online relationships workshop. And I just feel so grateful for the quality of sharing, the beauty that each of you who participated shared in your vulnerability, in your life experience, and uh, so grateful to have been able to contribute to you and to learn from you, and for us all to learn from each other in this time when we haven't been able to come together in person because of the virus. The monthly workshops I've been doing now for, well, since 2007 here in Toronto, and since March doing them online. It's in that whole time I've been doing these dance workshops, but also incorporating relationship communication and how dance can uh, empower relationship and the quality of the conversations we can have and the things that we can learn through engaging with one another. And online is a whole different thing, but in reality, um, still so rich, even though we can't physically be with each other. So much enjoyment and richness that we've been sharing. And today was, well, in some ways the best one yet. They just keep, it feels like they keep getting better. And the one coming up in February is the 12th in the series, because March was the first one where the situation didn't allow us to get together. So I'm really looking forward to that. And I just want to thank you all who participated, for what you have offered of yourself to each other. And it was just such a pleasure to be with you. And thank you for the great feedback that you gave for our time together. It's amazing. Yeah, I'm also just grateful for the technology that allows us to do this, because 10 years ago, this wouldn't have been possible to connect online like this. So it's just really great to enjoy the benefits of relationship and of what we can discover together, even in this time where we're really limited in physically being together. Look forward to seeing you all, whoever joins us on our next event on February 28th.